Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to format a laptop. First, it is crucial to back up all your important files and personal data. Use an external hard drive or a cloud service to save everything you need. Next, ensure your laptop is plugged into a power source to avoid any power interruptions during the process. Finally, gather your operating system installation media, like a USB drive, and note down any essential software product keys. This preparation saves you a lot of trouble. Now let's begin the formatting process. Restart your laptop and immediately press the designated key, often F2, F10, F12, or Delete, to enter the BIOS or UEFI settings. Once there, navigate to the boot options and change the boot order to prioritize your operating system installation media, whether it's a USB drive or a DVD. Save these changes and restart your laptop. It should now boot directly from your chosen installation device, initiating the setup. With the installation media loaded, you will reach the disk partitioning stage. Here, you should delete all existing partitions to ensure a completely clean installation. Then, create new partitions as desired, typically one for the operating system and another for your personal data. Select the partition where you want to install the operating system and click Next. The installation process will then begin, usually taking between 20 and 40 minutes to complete. After the operating system installation finishes, it's time for the final steps. First, install all necessary device drivers for your laptop's hardware, such as the graphics card and network adapter, to ensure everything functions correctly. Next, reinstall your favorite applications and restore your backed up personal files. Don't forget to configure your security settings, including antivirus software and system updates. Finally, personalize your operating system to your liking for an optimal user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.